Hello, welcome to Mia's Yummy World, the Easy Recipes channel. Today's easy recipe is one of my personal favorites and also a lovely childhood memory growing up in India. It's Nan Khatai biscuits, which is crumbly on the outside but soft and delicious on the inside. I would personally like to call it the most delicious Indian version of shortbread cookies, which we make here in the UK. All ingredients are in the description box, and for your ease I have given cup measurements and proportions. To begin, cream together the ghee and powdered sugar. You can also use melted unsalted butter if you don't have ghee, which is also called clarified butter. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy videos every week. If you have seen my videos before, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you will like this one too. Now back to our recipe. To the creamed sugar, add 1 cup of plain flour or Maida, 1/4 cup of Besan or ground flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of fine powdered semolina. Ensure that it's finely powdered semolina that you use. Save all the dry ingredients. Then combine all the ingredients together roughly with a spoon, then mix firmly by hand into a smooth dough. This will be a good time to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. This is how the dough should look. It should be nice, firm and soft, like this. You can make the cookies straight away, but to make it even better, just freeze this dough for 5 minutes in the freezer and then take it out and make small balls like this. Then press the balls to flatten into small round discs, just like this. Now to get the traditional shortbread look, put a little pistachio in the middle. Make sure that these are small flat discs, as they will expand on baking to double the size. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for just 10 minutes. Now remember that the cooking time will depend on your oven, so please check accordingly. With this measurement, I was able to make approximately 14 cookies. Now I'm going to bake them in my preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. My little one is now coming along to see, just curious to know when the biscuits will be ready. Right, so when you take the biscuits out of the oven, they are ready. It will be soft. Allow the biscuits to cool completely to room temperature and they will become firm on the outside, soft on the inside. Store it in an airtight container. These are super tasty, soft and crumbly and just melts in the mouth. Perfect with milk or tea or just to snack on. I hope you like this recipe. If so, please like this video. And if you didn't like it, then please press the dislike button and give me your comments so I can make it better next time. Thank you so much, my dear people, for watching. Keep well and see you next week with yet another super easy and tasty treat. Bye-bye.